Good morning everyone, welcome to Stock Market News and Views, brought to you by Ray Financial. Today is Thursday, September 20th, 2012. I just want to discuss what all has happened in September and how our members are profiting. Let's look at Nifty right now. What I want to show you guys is that in my previous video, Nifty levels, I had given this out 6 days back and I told you to watch out for some key resistance area on Nifty. Because after such a good bull run, the market has to book profits. You know, if someone got in on Axis Bank on 940, it was trading at around 1050. I mean, these institutions are going to book the profit. You know, that's about like 10% move for them in about two weeks. I mean, 10% in 2 weeks. That's a lot. So they're going to book profits, and when they book profits, they're going to start selling. And when they sell, the institutions, when they sell, the market drops. So what I wanted to show you here was those key resistance level. I thought we could see some selling at 5,450, 5,500 and 5,630, which was my last area of resistance. I mean, if the market would have reached here, definitely expect corrections. Expect profit booking. I wouldn't say correction. People usually take correction as, oh, the market is going to fall, but I would call it profit booking. Now if you see, what's happened is that the market made a high of 5653. That was just 23 points above my area. No problem. But if you see, the market closed below my area. If you see this particular candle, see the close. It has closed below 5630. Now what I want to show you guys is that we have gone ahead and made about odd 80 to 90 points in the future, and we've already booked our profits. So that you could say that it's about odd 4,000 to 4,500 points in the future. And some of our members have gone ahead and made 70% on their options. I mean, that's crazy, you know. Now this is the beauty of technical analysis. Let me just explain that to you later. Right now I'm going to give you out for free the important areas you have to watch out for on Nifty. Now till the end of September, the market is going to range between 5650 and 5,450. This is going to be a tight range. If anything happens, I'll keep you updated, but right now just watch these levels. This is crucial support, 5,434. So I would just simply say keep 5,400 as your major area of support. The market could come down to there. There is a big gap fill. You can see this. The market has actually just gone up from this close. It went up there. The market could fill the gap. It could come down all the way till here. That's the gap fill I'm expecting, and this is also a good area of support. The market could further go down based on any political news coming out. And where could it go further? It could come down to 5,300. I really doubt it would come back to 5215. I think 5,300 is the max the Nifty could go down in this month. I mean from now. So just watch out for these key levels. I'll again mark them out in a thicker line. So 5434, I'm telling you guys, 5,400, and if that breaks, you have major support at 5,300. If that breaks, don't worry, I will give you my analysis way in advance. I don't think we'll reach till there, but let's just hope 5,400 holds, and from there we could again see the market move ahead. Right now what I see is that the technicals are playing out very well. I like when the market gets volatile, because that's when traders and swing traders intraday traders make a lot of money. When the market is volatile, that's when you can make money. When there is absolutely no volume and no movement, I mean, you just can't do anything. You know, you're inviting trouble. Just don't do anything. Do when the market is volatile. What I wanted to tell you is that the technicals are playing really well. Technicals basically will give you information way in advance. I mean, you know, the news that comes out today is basically old. If you know your technicals, you will feel that the news is nothing, but it just adds fire to the rally. You know, it just creates more of a panic situation, and what it does is news helps technicals. That's all it does. I will show you a clean example of this. Let me just remove everything that's on the screen. Let's just get a clear screen. Okay. When I gave out my very first analysis of September, this was in August, I had said that expect the first week of September to be choppy. Now, why was that? Is because August was somewhere around here, was in this particular area. I'll just circle it for you. The end of August, okay, the last week, we were somewhere here, and the market had just no area or anything where it could find a base, it could find a support and take off or move down further. So where was it waiting to find that support? Okay, that support was right at this area, which was the gap fill, and that was phi 2. I drew that line incorrect. Just give me a second. So this phi 215. This was the gap fill, and this is where exactly the market was looking for support. Now, if you notice what was happening in that first week, there was so much news. Okay, I said that, you know, watch out, cause Mario Draghi has to come out and, you know, give out the new austerity measures, how to save the European Union, how to get Greece out and bail all these countries that are in trouble. So Mario Draghi came out and said that, okay, we're going to go ahead and do unconditional bond buying. Alright, the next week we see the ECB getting a green signal from the German constitution saying that this austerity measure is fine and you can go ahead and have unlimited bond buying. They had a few conditions, but that really did not affect the market. Then what happened? Then the US had the FOMC. Bernanke came out and said that he's going to have QE3, and QE3 was basically unlimited quantitative easing. He's going to float $40 billion into the market every month for till 2015. It's just, I mean, that's what he said, that he's going to check in 2015 how the performance of this QE3 is, and if they would stop QE3 in 2015 or not. But that's really far away. Okay, so unlimited quantitative easing, $40 billion into the market. I mean, if you're going to get such kind of money into the market, expect prices to go up. Everything is going to go up. $40 billion a month, that's $480 billion a year, and if you do that for 2 years, that's $960 billion. I mean, America has just increased their debt by $1 trillion. Okay, and people, institutions, big traders, big time investors, bankers, I mean, they already have gone ahead and factored in this in the market. Dow went up, okay, and when all this was happening, okay, this was not just all in one day. It was after intervals of 2-3 days. So as this was happening, what happened to the market? It started to go up, it started to go up, it started to go up. And what happened? Once all the news is over, okay, RBI also came out, it did a CRR cut, that's it. All the news is over. Okay, there was nothing. The market did not have any news in hand to push it up further. It's done, guys. I mean, the QE3 is done. The EU, Mario Draghi came out and said unlimited bond buying. RBI said we are going to cut the CRR by 25 basis points. I mean, all the good news is already factored in. Are you going to go ahead and buy it right now? No. What's going to happen? You have to book your profits, and that's what exactly has happened. And what has pushed the markets down? Okay, this was the area where I said just watch out, start booking profits out here. And what's the next thing that happens? Mamata Banerjee, she comes out and rules out, she's not in favor of FDI and the hike in diesel price and even the LPG cap. And she's not happy with it. So there's political interference. And stock market does react to such kind of political news. I mean, if the government is not stable, what is expected of the country? So the stock market fell down, and that is a correction. If more bad news comes, market will still go down, but I am sure that it will find support at this 4,500 point. 5,400 area. It should. I mean, from there probably there could be some mutual agreement between Congress and Mamata Banerjee, and they would move ahead from there. But as an end, this is how technicals play out. The news just adds fire to your technicals. Technicals is way in advance. Anyways, guys, I have to really get back, but I do want to share just a few things with you. If you check the chart, I had given out a lot of tips. I had given out Axis Bank, okay, and when did I give out Axis Bank? I gave out Axis Bank at this particular area, okay. I give it to you in the 922. I give it here, and I never expected it to go up, like rally about 100-150 points, but Axis Bank has really made a huge movement. I mean, from 940 it's gone up to 1071. I mean, that's a huge move. I don't know, I honestly couldn't capture the whole move. I just could capture about 40 odd points on Axis Bank. I also had given out L&T. I gave out IDFC. Let me just pull up L&T for you. So here we are, L&T. I clearly gave out L&T at 1306 levels, and just look at it. It's gone up all the way up, man. It was good move. Honestly, I did not capture the whole move. I was just able to capture about 100 odd points on L&T. Same goes with IDFC. IDFC was the same thing. It actually took a little bit of patience, because I waited for IDFC to move about the 200 DMA, and that's where I made about like just 5 odd points on IDFC, and I took my profits. Well, guys, that's about it. Just stick to my levels. I told you, just brief it up. Watch out for Nifty 5,400, and if still further 5,300 is my major support. If there's anything else, I will definitely shoot out emails, messages on Money Control, Facebook, YouTube. Just keep tuning to us. And then, guys, like, start trading with us. I sometimes give out free stuff, but if you just become a member, it's not much. Just simply open a trading account with us. We will provide you with everything that you need. We have a full service team out here, and they would be glad to help you with your trading. So keep tuned for information. It's right on your screen. Simply contact us, info@rayfinancial.co.in, or you can log on to our website, which is www.rayfinancial.co.in. Alright, guys, thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned, and I hope you have a wonderful trading day. Bye bye.